Oversized does not mean too big. We're gonna take this shirt that's too big and give it that perfect oversized boxy fit. Y'all gonna be like, damn, that's fly as hell. Oversized doesn't just mean sizing up. I wish I would've learned the difference sooner. I'm usually a medium true to size, but I used to wear XL and even double XL tops. I used to think I was so stylish out here. Shirts flowing in the wind, easy breezy, looking all flowy. I made it a style, I guess. Wasn't all that bad, but wasn't all that great either. My tops were so long that I had a 50-50 thing going on. This makes it look like I have a really long upper body and really short legs. Not the best look, but I've learned a few things recently, and I think it's important I share them with you. I'll show you how to get the perfect oversized fit. Not too big, oversized. This is a waffle shirt I thrifted. It's a double XL. So this is gonna be the perfect example of what I used to wear and how these slight modifications are gonna completely elevate this. So today, we're gonna do 2 slight modifications. First modification is going to be a crop, of course. Y'all know me by now. When I say crop, I'm not saying all the way to your belly button. When you're wearing a shirt that's too long, it makes your legs look shorter. So what we're trying to do is just get a few extra inches, you know, even if it's just one, it makes a difference. I just want to encourage you to try because it took me way too long to find this out. Wearing these long shirts out here. Thinking I was really doing it. Like, damn, nobody told me. I was just out here, wearing long shirts, looking like I had short legs. And so yeah, what you want to do is stand in front of the mirror and just fold your shirt little by little and just find the spot. Look at yourself in the mirror and be like, yeah, this feels right. There's no perfect rule to this. Whatever you want to try. Hey, just try it out. The second modification, we're gonna taper down the waist to remove some of that extra fabric. So we're gonna keep the loose top, but we're gonna narrow it down at the waist. So with these 2 modifications, we're gonna go from a piece that's too big to a piece that's oversized. And I'll explain why this makes such a big difference once we see the results. Badaw! As you can see, we don't look like we're floating in the shirt anymore. This is a recent discovery. I only found this out about a year ago. I started following the rule of thirds. So artful. We've got beautiful proportions going on. Loose at the top, but nice and fitted at the waist. Makes the upper body seem bigger and the waist look slimmer. Feels like I'm flexing. Keeping that flowy, easy breezy look, but it's intentional. More refined, exquisite, sensational. So you find a quality piece, it's too big for you, no problem. Make these modifications and boom, you got a designer shirt. Or you have a piece that's too big for you in your wardrobe. You could turn that into your favorite shirt. That's what I've been doing with my entire wardrobe. Damn, that's fly as hell.